So Shiba Inu right now is trying to pass this big test. All right. And this big test is whether there is going to be enough demand for this continued move to the upside, this overall change of direction in market structure, or if we're going to fall back down and maybe set some lower lows in terms of SHIB, in terms of other assets in the space. And right now, what I'm watching from Shiba Inu is kind of this confirmation of demand taking place, right? We got our low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. And right now, SHIB is trying to set this next little surge to the upside here. Frankly, we got to break 4016. That's a key point here. And if SHIB can do this, again, this may be our reversal. This may be the point where we test our top long-term trend line that we've been in for now 6 months, guys. We've been in this consolidation period now for almost 6 months. And you guys can see we've tried to break it. This was our starting point here. And if SHIB can do this, we may be off to the races in terms of the overall crypto market. Again, this is the setup for alt season. This is where even BTC has a chance to confirm its trend here too. Again, got to close above this 20-week moving average. BTC's got to come up and test its top trend line. And all the stars are kind of aligning just right when it comes to this. For example, looking at yesterday's NVIDIA report, quarter two earnings report, they crushed it, guys. They absolutely crushed it. 15 billion in profits projected from analysts, 16.6 billion. That is a big beat. That's what, like 3%, something like that, 10%? No. Oh gosh, yeah, 10. They crushed it by 10%, guys. That is a big win. And although right now it says that investors aren't impressed, most people are kind of looking at this as a slowdown compared to prior quarters. And I get it, right? Things haven't been that great in the economy over the past few months. Look at what's been happening. Spending has been slowing down, but we're also now getting into this point where the excitement from these possible rate cuts in the FOMC meeting may be actually a spark in the economy. It may dictate or create more spending. Okay. This is again where people get a little looser with their money. It wouldn't surprise me if the market kind of rallies into this FOMC meeting. And if we get, the rate cuts, if we get actually I don't know whether a half a point or a quarter point is going to be better. It's kind of tough to gauge, right? Some people might think that a quarter point is doing too little. Some people might think that a half a point is doing too much. It's going to be a mixed bag. But now that the numbers are kind of aligning, if we have a good PCE report tomorrow, all these things may be kind of this snowball where we make these bigger moves into alt season, where we make these further pushes to the upside, right? This is where, again, SHIB may come up and try to tackle this high from all the way back in July, okay? Now, there's no guarantees. This isn't financial advice or anything like that, guys. And know that we're right now, we're sitting dead center in this descending channel here, all right? Dead center in our big bull flag that's been playing out for months and months and months. And if there's anything that I've learned over time, it's that the bigger and longer that these play out, the more explosive the moves out of these become. All right. We might have the stars aligning just right for these massive moves in the market. Your patience is something that, frankly, here can be rewarded. It's about being more patient, right? We got to just relax and wait and know that we're following what we've done historically speaking. We're following the trends of cycles past. And what that means is some very good times will be coming soon. But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.